how to turn on caller ID on Viber. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. So if you want to identify unknown callers, then enabling the caller ID on Viber will help you a lot. This video is going to be super interesting, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to turn on the caller ID, you just need to go and open up the Viber application from your phone. And from the Viber homepage, you just need to go and tap on the More option at the bottom right. And from here, you're simply going to scroll down and you'll get to see the option Caller ID. You just need to go ahead and tap on Caller ID here and you'll get to see the introducing Caller ID identify unknown callers. So you can actually go and tap on Turn On Now. This is going to ask the permission. You just need to go and grant permission. This is going to get into the settings and you just need to enable the Viber from the settings. And once you do that, the caller ID now enabled. Now you can easily identify unknown or spam calls on your device. This feature is going to show you the name and other information even from the unknown calls. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.